Before I begin, take a moment to look at the image. The circles outlined in red are dead zones of a known size, and the gray circles are unmeasured dead zones. Hi, my name is Wren Buchenroth, and I'd like to talk to you today about my focus of dead zone remediation and my plan to use an algae and a stimulating bacteria to process agricultural effluent before it ever reaches the main waterway. My initial scope is on the Mississippi River Basin, and I hope to change this to a global lens over the next couple of years. The graphic on the left shows how dead zones form and how they're able to destroy entire ecosystems. The graphic on the right shows the dead zone in the Gulf of Mexico. Thought my Zoom crashed for a second. The graph below it shows the area of this dead zone since 1985. Years with exceptionally small sizes can be traced to hurricane storm systems moving through the area and the wave action adding oxygen to the water and reducing the size of the dead zone. The goal line is marked by the EPA's Hypoxia Task Force, which was founded in 1997. Their 5-year average looks pretty much identical to the 5-year average marked on the graph. Their goal is to reach that line by 2035. They're over halfway there, and their efforts so far have been insufficient. So my aims are to remove 90% of nitrogen and phosphorus from effluent waters before they ever reach a main waterway. What this will do will improve not only the aquatic ecosystem, but the ecosystems that rely on that, and to make waters that are much better for human usage, not only for drinking, but for recreation as well. I hope to do this all while making a financially viable system that upcycles what we already put into our waters through fertilizer usage, and to create a financially viable byproduct of this algae, which can then be turned into biofuels, biodiesel, can be turned into fertilizer, and it can be turned into animal feed, as well as having usage in the cosmetics department and in supplements for humans as well. So this is my proposal. This is what I am hoping to work on. And this is what I'm looking forward to doing as my career. And I hope to do as much as I can with it before moving on to other systems and other methods of improving the world that we're currently in. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.